Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can autofill numbers in Excel app Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my Excel file in my Android mobile phone. And for example, I'm going to autofill in this number column. First thing first, I'm going to add number to this column. I'm going to add number 1 and number 2. Okay. And if we want to autofill this number column, we can select the row like this, and you have to drag it down, but you have to drag it down on this line like this so it can be autofilled. And don't drag on the circle because it won't be autofilled. Wait, I'm going to undo it. And if you drag on the circle, it won't be autofilled. So you need to drag on this line like this. Okay, oops, sorry guys. I'm going to add number 2. Okay, and you can select the row like this and just drag it down. Oops. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to autofill numbers in Excel of Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.